Hello, this is Jigar Mystery, and I'm doing my final course presentation, project presentation for MGT 545 Strategic Management and Competitive Globalization. This presentation has the key course lessons and application that I learned in the concept of their bioscience company. First one would be the five forces evaluation and analysis. Its application is often based on need for any business organization to have a wider thought to need to develop long-term competitive advantage beyond other organizations in the same business environment. The five forces design model was developed so that it can use in identification of certain key principles. This principle, when followed and analyzed accurately, often shape any business environment into more competitive environment. It has the ability to determine certain factors within a given industry that helps in cultivating the various strengths and weaknesses present within the such business entity. Video analysis. From the coursework, the key lesson on the video analysis were based on the four framework designed in the best mechanism for the evaluation of the business environment. Derived from the concept of value, rarity, and immutability to the organization, it helps the organization to be able to identify the key principles. These key principles include competitive rivalry among organizations in given business environment. It also includes the supplier's power alongside the ability of the buyer and buyer's power. The cost leadership concept revolves around designing of various generic plans or strategies that can be implemented in a given business environment to create the best internal characteristics that help organizations acquire best sustainable and trusted competitive advantage. It aims at helping the organization remain very relevant in all process, hence maximizing the profitability. It also characterized by constant scanning of business environment to identify indicators that help in responding to threats of various substitution and also the issues regarding new entries within the same business environment. The concept of vertical integration. This concept has been derived from economic situation in business environment. Economical means a business design plan and or strategy that considers taking one or major phase within the supply chain that is key ensuring less cost and more profit in the business operation. It has three types: backward, forward, and balance. Balance is where a combination of two or more. You don't involve any parties in the supply chain that more likely that you will make more profit. The diversification concept. This strategy involves scanning the outside environment of the business to identify the various areas in which organization can make an investment move. The organization invests in another areas or a different business environment. Widening the business environment is essential in increasing the capital for profitability, and there are various challenges that are often associated with the widening the investment environment. The risk management strategies therefore are required for this type of diversification concept. Ventures are the business expansion of the beginning strategies. To gain a competitive advantage in any business environment, the business itself must be existing. The organization therefore can decide to enter into other investment opportunities that are separate from what they already exist. Venturing requires that an organization scans an environment, identifies various problems, and then develops the appropriate internal characteristic that can help in responding appropriately to those issues, because creating a conducive environment for profitability is must. Merger and acquisition concept. The illustration of term merger revolves around a given organization or company deciding to put it all resources together to form one or big company or an organization. A combination of two or more from bigger one forms a bigger one. Acquisition, on the other hand, is realized when one organization that has already obtained going to the concerns rule decides to buy another organization that may be doing the same kind of task or activities for profitability, or just buying another company to expand its operation environment. The main purpose of these two principles is always based on need to increase the value of various shares by various involved shareholders. Role of shareholders. Shareholders are often work towards improving profitability or creating required environment that has best internal characteristic for increasing the value of their shares. The idea of the two concepts often has both positive and negative impact on the business organization. The impact is based on various internal issues revolving around the sudden change in operation and also underlying factors within the organization involved. The taxes and policies are really key issues that determine the possibility of an increase in value of the shares. The conclusion is that this is therefore it makes it very difficult for shareholders and management of a targeted organization to willingly accept the acquisition of engagement. The positive part of the merger and acquisition involves the creation of wider environment for strategies, design and planning and implementation. This is because both companies bring their shared strategic plans together, and evaluation is done, and a quality strategy is set for enhancing organization as a result of merger and acquisition. The risk management technologies are often given in the wider environment. And the Dare Bioscience organization has been in operation for a long time, having developed various internal changes maximizing on returns for supply chain management systems. Thank you.